Hey, what's up you guys? Welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to be showing you what I got for my birthday. So if you would like to see, then please keep watching. So my birthday was January 19th, but I buy gifts for myself throughout the whole month of January. My new year starts in February, okay, with spending money. And so I didn't go too crazy, but I got a lot of items that I've been having my eye on. I really wanted to buy myself a new Chanel, but the one that I really have my eye on that I want so bad was out of stock, but that's okay, we'll get it one day. But yeah, so let's start with what I got from Cartier. So here's the box. I ordered this online and I've actually opened this, and in here you get the certificate of authenticity. It comes in this like harder little card case, and it shows the date of your purchase and also the serial number. And they also included the shopping bag, which was nice. So here is the item. So here is the box. It says Cartier. Here is the box, and I got the Cartier love ring in the white gold. And I am just obsessed with it. So I did get, I want to say a 58, size 58, because I wanted to wear it on my middle finger. And I just love it. I think it is so cute. So next I got two pairs of Christian Louboutins. I am a Louboutin girl. I love them. I want to have so many. But yeah, so these are them. I got this one in a classic color and then this one in a fun color. So in here you have your receipt and then also this little card that tells you to try on your red bottoms on the carpet just in case you don't like them. Then you get this little bag that has the replacements for the heel on the bottom. Then you get the dust bag. So with the classic shoes you just get one, which I don't really like, but that's okay because I do have a good amount, so when I travel I do put them in their own dust bag. And so these are ones that I've been eyeing for a while, and I love this style. These are the patent leather Arizas in nude. So here they are right here. They still have the stuffing because I haven't taken them out or worn them, and they also still have, it's a little dusty because I tried it on, they have the little sticker. And yeah, I feel like these are such a staple. I'm going to get a lot of wear out of these. I actually don't have any nude pumps, so I just thought to grab these. And also, I highly recommend these Arizas. They are one of the most comfortable shoes from Christian Louboutin, but I'm not going to get like all the way into sizing and all that, even though I got a 37. I am going to do a designer shoe collection, so I will get more in depth there. But that was the first pair. So the next pair that I got is in the same Ariza style, but I am just obsessed with these. So again, you get the little bag for the bottom of the heel, and then the one dust bag. So here are the shoes. They are so beautiful. I am obsessed. They have this little gradient ombre. It goes from purple to blue to green back to purple. And I just thought they would be perfect for my one Chanel bag. I also got these in a 37 and I still haven't worn them. They still do have the stuffing, but I cannot wait to wear these in the spring and summer. I think they will just look perfect. And last but not least, we have Hermes. So this is my first purchase that I made from Hermes. I actually ordered these online and I am just so in love with them. I've had my eye on them for a very long time, and you know, Hermes, like everybody needs something Hermes. So I undid the bow because right when I got these, I just opened them right away. So it was wrapped with this Hermes ribbon. And in here is the information about returning. And so here they are in the dust bag. So here is the dust bag, and I love how you get two separate ones. And these are the black Orion sandals from Hermes, and I got them also in a size 37. I feel like I will get so much use out of these in the spring and the summer. I am so excited to have these and wear them. I am just so obsessed with them, and they're very comfortable. I've worn them to walk around my house just to test and make sure it was the right size, and they seem very comfortable so far. so I will definitely let you know. And that is it for this video, so thank you so much for watching. I hope you all enjoyed. If you did, please like this video, leave me a comment down below, share with your friends, and please subscribe so you won't miss out on any more videos from me, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.